So here it is, the DIY lip scrub. What's up YouTube? Today I'm going to teach you guys how to make your own lip scrub. First you need sugar, white sugar or brown sugar, which is a great natural exfoliator for your lips. Second, you need coconut oil, which contains many fatty acids and antioxidants that nourish the skin. And the last thing you'll need is honey, which contains just natural healing properties. Now the reason you should use a natural exfoliator is because it sloughs off the top layer of your lip, left dry from the sun, exposing a new soft layer. That way when you use hydrating products like lip balm or Vaseline on your lips, it lasts longer, it's more smoother, and it's very hydrating. So yeah, the first thing you guys want to add is 2 tablespoons of brown or white sugar. This one I'm using white, obviously. You can empty it into a bowl for now, and then later once it's made you can put it into a tube with a lid on it. Then you want to add 1 tablespoon of solid coconut oil. And last, you want to add a teaspoon of honey. Now, if you're a professional like me, you don't have to use a spoon. You could just eye it and know how much a tablespoon is. Alright, the next thing you want to do is take a spoon and mix the coconut oil, the sugar, and the honey all in one bowl until it's like a soft paste, as so. Now when you're finished, it should look just like this. Something like ice cream, like you can just scoop it up. Now place a small amount on your fingertips and just rub in a circular motion around your lips. After that, you can either lick it off or wash it off. And then, as I said before, add your favorite lip balm on your lips right after, just to get that more hydrating feel. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.